Tired of forgetting things? Google Tasks makes it easy to stay organized by creating simple to-do lists, setting reminders, and keeping track of everything on your phone or computer as well. It's free, fast, and super easy to use. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Google Tasks. So the first step that you have to do is just open a browser and dive into Google Tasks, and then you will find here like that. So let's just do it together. Google Tasks, and then you click over enter. You will find here this page. You have just to click over the first one, which is Google Tasks, and it will be up here like that, as you can see. So here we have it. We have also other option. You can just here dive into calendar.google.com. You will find Google Calendar, and you select here the option of my tasks, or you'll find also here if you go to the Google, you have just to search for task or calendar firstly, then you select task and you start adding tasks, and that's it for this one. Also, we have here the option of calendar. As you can see, we'll discover all these things. Right now I will show you how you can create a tasks firstly. But before, let's know what is Google Tasks. So Google Tasks is an easy to use tool for organizing your to-do lists. You can quickly add tasks, set due dates, and create subtasks for bigger projects. It's synthetics across all your devices, so you can access your tasks on your phone, tablet, or computer as well. You can also link tasks to your Gmail and Google Calendar for better organization. Best of all, it's completely free and simple to get started. So let's just here come back to the Google Task, and we click over here, and the top left you will find create. You click over create, and then you have just to add a title firstly. So let's just give an example. I will just add here task 1. Then I will select here the time, and for example let's select in 19th of November. The time I will select for example here 2, and then I will select all day. If you don't want, you have just to here select if you want it daily, or if you want also weekly on Sunday, or here monthly on Sunday 17, and we have annual on November 17, or here we have custom, and you select here the day. Alright, so right now all I have to do is just select, as I said here, the day, how much day you want, or you can just here select how much week and month and year if you want. Then you have just right now to set a time. So let's just come back right down, and then we'll click over here and set a time. We'll select 8, 9, or which time you want. For example, I will select this one. Then I will select it's gonna be start on which day. I will select for example here 19. I already select 19. Then click over OK. Then it's gonna be end of here on, or you can just select never ends, or here we have on, and you select which day it's gonna be here end, and also here it's gonna be after how much if you want. So I have 3 options here by the way. So never, on, and the selection day. You have just to select the one you want. We have also here after, select how much you want, 30, 40 occurrences, and you click over OK once you're done. So here we have it right now, daily 40 times, as you can see. Then you have just to add a description. For example here, add a tasks like that, tasks. So I just write something here, and you select here my tasks. All right, then you click over save, and it will be up here like that, as you can see. Also, if you want to add another one, you click over create again, and you start adding the title firstly. Task 2, for example, I will just here add task 2. Then I will select here all days or how much day. If you want to hear one day, you have to select the time. For example here 12 o'clock, and I will select here how much the day, and I will select for example here 80, and then I will select here how much, if it's gonna be daily, or it's gonna be here weekly on Sunday, monthly on day 17, or annually on November 17, or you can just customize as I did it before, right? So you can add a description right now, for example asking for advice, for advices, as you can see. Then you have just to click over save once you're done, and we have here another task, as you can see. Also we have here the button of start with these options. You can just add a task right now here, and you add a title, details, the date and the time, and then you add the tasks and just write it here, and you select it if you want here without title and without anything. Also we have here, if you want to create new lists, you have just to click over here and you select here which list. We'll just here add task 1, for example like that, and here we have the list here, and you have just to add a tasks like that, and you have to add a title, details, and it's just option of list, as you can see. Also, we have here other things in the top. For example, we have here support menu. For here settings menu, we have various things. So we have tasks, keyboard shortcuts, and also we have here these buttons. I already mentioned it, and I'll show you how you can use it. Then we have here my account, so it's just for Gmail, because here we have all the options of Google. Once you click over one of this, you will find here directly your email is linking. Right, then we have here also keep. If you want to add it to take note, for example, just to take note, for example, something here, and you click over done, or you can just here make it pin note, and click over here for now make it hide it or delete it if you want. Also, we have here no notes read, and we have here under device if you want iPhone, pad and iPad, and we have here application com extension as well. Then we have also here contacts, as you can see, and maps. And if you want to here also get add-ons, you have just to search for application that you want, and you have to download it here, as you can see. Right now, let's just discovering the option of calendar, and let's switch it to calendar. For example, here if you want to add a task, you have just to select which day that you want, and also which specific time that you want. For example, here 9, I will click over here, and then I will here find I will click over tasks. As I mentioned, we have event, task, appointment, schedule, as you can see. And for example, I will ask click option of task, and then I will add a description here. Alright, so you have just to add a description, and you did the same thing that you did with the first one. So you have just to add here which day, if we're not going to be daily, weekly on Wednesday, or monthly on the third Wednesday, annually on November, and other thing. Also, you can here make it all day, and you select the time, you add a description, and you select here task 1 if you want, and then you add a description like that. For example, asking for advice, for advices. Then you have just to select here if it's going to be daily or something like that. Then you click over save, and it will find it here, as you can see. So we have no title here, we have task 1, as you can see, and because I select the option of daily, then we have here on the left other things such as my calendars, and you have to put, for example, here tasks, and you put it with the color that you want. For example, here we have orange, that's what it's going to be up here with orange. And if you want to add tasks and it's not related to this one, you have just to click over here and just select the color that you want, and for which day and which moment also, you will find here the title, and you will remember it with the color, as you can see. Also, we have here other calendars, and we have other options here. You can just use it and get it started. All right, so we have how you can do that and add in the task with using calendar, as you can see. So to use Google Task, open the application or access it through Gmail, Google Calendar, create tasks by typing them in, set due dates, and organize them into lists. You can break big tasks into subtasks and check them off as you complete them. Everything standardized across your devices, keeping you organized on the go. So this is how it works with Google Tasks. And so Google Tasks is a simple free tool that helps you stay organized by managing your to-do lists and reminders, whether for work or personal tasks. It keeps everything in one place and sends it across your devices. It's easy to use, efficient, and a great way to make sure nothing falls through the cracks. Give it a try and take control of your day. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.